guys! Welcome to the ARELLANO'S of Dubai. I'm Kali.
Yes, this is Anne.
Today we're unboxing Magic Water Elf Kit. It's open. We have
Color.
2, 4,
Have
6,
pink and
8,
orange.
10, 12. We have 14 colors.
We have the play.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Wow, blue.
10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 colors. We have molds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12 molds. We have a net. We have a brush. We have a syringe.
Yes, need a mix like the plastic.
We have shells,
I make this cup.
glove,
This. And
beaker,
this.
or a measuring cup,
And this.
and powder or
Powder.
calcium paste.
Powder.
We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have a manual.
I have let's get
First, we need to put 1 liter of water in the tap or container.
and mix. Huh?
Okay.
Wow.
Then add the powder slowly. Wow.
There's seashells.
Don't eat it.
Wow. Sorry, Ate. Ate! Enough. I'll go mix. I'll go mix. I'll go mix.
Then mix the water until it's dissolved around 5 minutes.
Good. Mom, you give me this cup.
Of powder. Now take a mold and soak it into the water.
Yes.
Remove the excess water. Now choose any color for your design. I will use black first.
I want a love pink.
Okay.
Mommy, I want a pink.
Only dito na. Okay. You want darker light?
No, I want.
Okay. For the eyes, I will use black.
I'll use pink.
Oh, what happened? It's working. Squeeze. Done. Say
I want a purple.
for the bowl.
All done.
Then put the mold in the water for 3 seconds. Then shake it so it could be removed. 1, 2, 3. Now leave leave it for 8 to 15 minutes. You touch it.
Don't
No.
touch, huh?
Shake it. While waiting it to make it hard, let's make more designs.
I need to make. I want yellow.
I'll do the sunflower.
No, I is yellow.
Look at the designs we made.
Okay.
We catch it with a net
I will
so
catch.
we don't have allergy.
I'll catch it the net.
That one. When it's a little hard, you can remove it. So these are all the designs.
Like this.
And I have the slapper here.
Unicorn.
Oh, it's broken.
What's that?
Unicorn.
Until next time, enjoy!